Nature of roots. In this module, you will learn about the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Two planes A and B take off one after another, almost at the same time. After they take off completely, airplanes A and B take a turn in their destination and the paths are at 90 degrees to each other. We observe that the airplanes A and B are moving at a right angle to each other. The speed of airplane B is faster than the speed of airplane A by 140 km per hour. After 1 hour, the shortest distance between the airplanes is 260 kilometers. We know that the speed of airplane B is faster than the speed of airplane A by 140 km per hour. Can you find the speed of each airplane? Here, for finding the speed of the airplanes, we will form a quadratic equation. Let us observe the path formed by the airplane. It will form a right triangle. Let the speed of airplane A be x km per hour. Therefore, the speed of airplane B is x plus 140 km per hour. As we know that the distance covered is equal to the speed into time taken. Now, the distance travelled by airplane A after an hour is x into 1. Then, the distance travelled by airplane B after an hour is x plus 140 into 1. Then, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem on this triangle for the distance travelled by the airplane. So, it becomes xz square is equal to xy square plus yz square, where xy and yz are the distance travelled by the airplanes B and A respectively. We know that xz is equal to 260, xy is x plus 140 and yz is x. Then, we write it as 260 square is equal to x plus 140 square plus x square. Now, we write the right-hand side of the equality as x square plus 140 square plus 2 into 140x plus x square by using the formula a plus b whole square. We simplify the equation by adding the like terms. Then we get 2x square plus 280x plus 140 square. We take 140 square to the left-hand side of the equality. Then it becomes 260 square minus 140 square is equal to 2x square plus 280x. We will get 260 square minus 140 square as 260 plus 140 into 260 minus 140. It comes 400 into 120. We get the equation as 48000 is equal to 2x square plus 280x. We will simplify this equation by dividing it with 2. We observe a quadratic equation is formed as x square plus 140x minus 24000 is equal to 0. We have already learned that the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Case 1. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we get two distinct real roots minus b divided by 2a plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and minus b divided by 2a minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Case 2. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then there exist two equal real roots, that is, minus b divided by 2a. So, both the roots of the equation are minus b divided by 2a. Case 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real number whose square is b square minus 4ac. Therefore, there are no real roots for the given quadratic equation in this case. We see b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots or not. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Here, the quadratic equation formed is x square plus 140x minus 24000 is equal to 0. We find its discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. 140 square minus 4 into a into minus 24000. We simplify this and get 115600. So, we get a discriminant greater than 0. It means there exist two distinct real roots. We find its roots by using the formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then we put the values minus 140 minus under root. We have already found the value of b square minus 4ac. It is 115600 divided by 2 into 1. On simplifying, we get two roots as minus 140 plus 340 divided by 2 and minus 140 minus 340 divided by 2. We get two roots as 100 and minus 240. Here, we ignore the minus 240 because the speed of the airplane cannot be negative. So, we find the speed of the airplane A is 100 km per hour. Therefore, the speed of airplane B is 240 km per hour. Let's recap. We have learned that the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If b square minus 4ac is more than 0, then there exist two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then there exist two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there are no real roots.